Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're messing around with the 36 Pontiac. This is the right rear fender, and you can see that the damage that was done to it way back in the day where they would have used brass. Very bad repair even for back then. And then you can see how thick later down the road that they put Bondo in the plastic filler. And we're outside today because I am grinding off the 1-inch thick Bondo, and then we're going to come back in and do a repair, replace all of that. So stay tuned, I'll add to the video shortly. All right, being a one-man show, it's hard to work the camera and video and do all the work. So unfortunately, I took a bunch of pictures that you saw, but here's the repaired fender. No body work yet, but it should not take too much. Used a lot of stuff to straighten the fender back out. The repair work is right in here. And I've gone down and I've welded up a few other holes and stuff that was down in there, and took out a bunch of bad things. But the backside, there's a couple of pictures on there what the backside looks like. I had to repair and replace the clip that was on the backside right here. And that actually holds a piece of inner fender in. But it's not perfect, but it's going to serve the purpose for a long time. And it's time to start doing all the major body work on the fender. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more.